Good morning, students. Now, today we are going for the introduction of the topo sheet. Basically, it is the 20 marks question in your exam in section A. Now, today 45D/7 representing the Rajasthan and 45D/10 represent the Gujarat. According to the syllabus and scope, we were going for these figures like here 4-figure grid and the 6-figure grid, contours, landforms, steep and gentle slopes, hills, ridge, water divide, escarpment, triangulated height, spot height, benchmark. Now, direction, distance and calculating the area. Symbols, colors, unit, 8 cardinal points, drainage patterns and types of means of transport, road, land use of irrigation, seasonal units, occupation, natural and man-made features. This is the map topo sheet of Rajasthan, which is generally present the symbol. Now here topographic maps which are representing the earth features. These maps are large scale map. Now on the basis of symbols, on the basis of colors, either on the basis of natural and man-made features. I show you some important point on the basis of symbols and color. Near about 268, you have to be seen this is the dry tank. Black dot line is showing to the dry things. Now curve line, broken curve line which are indicating you broken ground. Broken ground means uncultivated area or unsuitable for agriculture. Now broken ground represent seasonal rainfall. Third, blue color which are indicating the perennial well. Now numbers of blue colors here which are representing the wells. Now there is the Sipu Nadi which is dot with there, and these black dots are showing the dry river. Here about the northing and easting. Now 15, 16, 17, 18. These are representing the north or northing of 4-figure, and here 11, 12, 13, 14, generally they are representing you easting. Some of the settlements are there. You have to be seen these are nucleated settlement. Now numbers of the houses are close to each other. Now here number of the green symbols and green trees are there, which is also showing the palm tree. Here about the gradient. Suppose gradient is equal to V upon HE, vertical intervals upon horizontal equivalent. Now if there is the gradient 1:30 representing on the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now R in topo sheet one grid is equal to 1 kilometer. Now if VI is equal to 100 meter, then HE denoted to 3 centimeter equal to 3 kilometer. VI upon HE equal to 100 upon 3 kilometer multiplied by 1000. That is showing you up 1 upon 30. The 1:30 ratio. That gradient is 1:30 now. Some of the symbols on the basis of the road. Now 1. This is the symbol representing you footpath. Now that is the symbol representing you pack track, where the animals and mans both are crossing now, representing car track, which means it is suitable for black cars. Metal road showing the area which is growth and urban area, like some post office, police station, dispensary are there. Now unmetal road, which is showing to village area. On the basis of settlement, large number of red square close to each other, and PS and PO are representing their, that is nucleated settlement. Here if the squares are very far away to each other, that is dispersed settlement. On the basis of one area near about one road, the peoples are live there, it is showing linear settlement. Drainage pattern. Now branching like tree, it is showing dendritic drainage. When these drainages are parallel to each other, they are showing parallel drainage pattern. Now if the radial types are spot height, highland under the contours interval, and it is spoke like a wheel, which is representing you radial drainage pattern. Now disappearing stream, it means the streams are dry in some area, but the underground water is flowing there. It means that is disappearing drainage pattern. Now today I show you the symbols on the basis. Basically yellow color showing the agriculture area in this topo sheet. Now here some others like green color representing the vegetation, and blue color representing the water bodies, red color representing settlement or road. Now broken ground, you have to be seen, this is the curve broke and like the black curve line, which is known as broken ground. It is showing uncultivated land and dry weather condition. Now car track, this is the road which is showing motorable in dry season. That means car track, the only bullock cart pass in this season, but it is suitable in dry season but not suitable in rainy season. Now dendritic drainage, the smaller stream join the main river stream. Here you have to be seen in the C1. This is the figures branching like tree, which are showing you dendritic drainage pattern. Dispersed settlement, the houses are far apart from each other. Now number of the houses which are very far from each other, they are showing the dispersed settlement. Open scrub means cattle rearing, and white color unfertile land area, this is showing now. Here name the geographical features given in this grid 84, 98. On the basis of this, here we find that we are going for touchable types of the grid, and now here we are going for the grid. On the basis of the grid, you have to be seen grid number 84 and 98. Now that is the grid 84, it means this line, and 98 is showing there. That means now 98 we are taking the base point, that is the grid. Now 84 and 98, the last number of the black colors are there and broken grounds, so it means especially this is representing you about the broken ground. Now next, identify the settlement pattern village in Pantwada. Type which type of settlement in Pantwada. Now you have to become there, you have to find on the screen, there is the Pantwada. Pantwada is lies there, and this is showing you the nucleated settlement because houses are close to each other. Now, what is the main occupation of people? Yes, of course, you have to be seen number of the yellow colors are representing there. This means peoples are going to enjoy the agriculture. Now, list 3 main man-made features in the grid square 8199. Now, come on the grid number 81 and 99. So, you have always taken the base point. This is the grid number 81 and 99 is there. Now, so what are the main man-made features nucleated settlement? Firstly, police station. Second, post office. Third, and car track. This is the road. Road is also made by the humans, and these are man-made things.